If your goal is to improve your appearance, self-esteem, physique, and financial situation, then in this video, I will show you how to achieve these goals through simple habits. However, remember that these changes require time and your determination. If you consistently follow them, your life will change beyond recognition in the near future, and you will surely thank me for it. The last tip is the most important. Number 1. Journaling. Writing a journal is one of the best ways to personal development. Through analysis and putting thoughts on paper, you can more easily draw conclusions and make more conscious decisions. Journaling helps track progress, providing motivation for personal growth and goal achievement. It expresses emotions, helping you better understand yourself and assisting in coping with stress and everyday challenges. Number 2. Meditation. In my opinion, the biggest benefits of meditation are improved concentration and self-regulation of emotions. Through meditation, you can make conscious decisions that contribute to your personal development. It also reduces impulsiveness and nurtures your spirituality. Number 3. Skincare routine. If you're also struggling with acne like I did, a skincare routine will help you overcome it. I understand how the condition of the skin can affect self-esteem, but if you start taking care of your skin daily, the acne problem will disappear very quickly. All you need is a toner, moisturizer, and SF cream. That's it. If you're curious about how I dealt with acne, I recommend checking out this video. Number 4. Do what you love. If you do what you love, money will come to you naturally. You'll be surprised how quickly, while making this film, I pondered what is most important, and I came to the conclusion that no advice is better than focusing on your interests and pursuing them. Adopting these habits will change your life. You'll be surprised at how quickly you'll see the first changes. Remember to be consistent and stick to what you need to do. If you enjoyed this video, you'll like the next one even more. See you soon.